There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
Hey y'all, this video is being sponsored by Dressin.com. Hey guys, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and follow to Dressin.com. As a cool referral program, as a special offer, all of my followers can get free shipping even if your order is only 99 cents. Plus, you will also receive an $8 cashback reward, which can be withdrawn within 24 hours. So click the link down below for my referral link and get you some free shipping and also a quick cash grab. Plus, their prices are out of this world affordable. So the first outfit is a plus-size Gingham plaid two-piece set. I thought this was really cute for anyone who works at an office or just business attire casual. You never know, you may need something that's just business attire. And for the prices on Dressin.com, you cannot go wrong. This is a size 2X. It does have an elastic waist and a button top. Okay, ladies, so for this one right here, the round neck black dress, this was only 99 cents on the website. I do like the low-key split and the ruching, which does help cover or camouflage the belly area if you have that issue. It does fit really comfortable, and I did get this in a size 2X. This is definitely something you can pair with just about anything. So who doesn't love a good pair of lounging pants? So these joggers are a really great material. They're very comfortable. They do have 2 pockets. I wear these to lounge around and run errands. Plus, I already washed them and they did not shrink at all. Plus, the fabric is not see-through. Let's talk about these low-rise denim jeans. First of all, I did not know there was going to be so much stretch in these jeans. From the elastic waist and the deep pockets front and back, these are definitely a pair of jeans that I really do like. Plus, the all-around fabric is stretchy, so you will definitely be comfortable in these denim jeans. I am a sucker for a good floral print shirt. Now this one right here, I wish I would have sized up and got a 2X, but girl, listen, I have confidence that this will not shrink. From the double layered sleeves and the actual tying in the front, I thought this paired very well with my favorite denim jeans. Though I'm not going to be tying it, I do like it left open. Most part, this is a really cute blouse. Hey y'all, didn't I say I love a good floral print shirt? Now these sleeves, I'm not really sure what attracted me so much to this blouse. Wish I would have got it in a 2X. I like the color a lot. I think like this maroon color is really, really pretty. Last item is a zipper lapel jacket. Now this was giving me motorcycle type vibes and also peplum type vibes. I really wasn't sure where to go with this jacket. It is rather cute. It just depends on what you pair it with, but a good pair of jeans will never hurt nobody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll link everything down below. I love y'all and stay diva and divalicious. Bye.